Hello students, I am beginning the text from the book Prose and Fiction that is prescribed for BA Part 3rd, Paper 2nd English Literature, prescribed in MGS University Bikaner. This text is found in the essay The March of Mind by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. In this video, I am beginning the text from page number 10, and this is the last paragraph of the page number 10. The text is as following. Any satisfactory system of education should aim at a balanced growth of the individual and insist on both knowledge and wisdom. Jnanam Vijnana Sahitam. Any satisfactory system of education. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan says that any satisfactory system of education should aim at a balanced growth of the individual. He says that the education system should aim at a balanced growth. It should do the balanced growth of an individual or of a student and insist on both knowledge and wisdom. It should insist or it should have emphasis on providing knowledge and wisdom both to the student. Jnanam Vijnana Sahitam means the education that provides both knowledge and wisdom. It should not only train the intellect but bring grace into the heart of the man. The education should be of such type that should not only train the intellect, that should not only train to the mind, but bring grace to the heart of man. It should also bring grace, it should also beautify to the heart of man. Wisdom is more easily gained through the study of literature, philosophy, religion. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan says that the wisdom is more easily gained through the study of literature, philosophy, and religion. If we study religion, philosophy, and religion, we can gain the wisdom. They interpret the higher laws of the universe. The study of literature, philosophy, and religion interprets or explains the higher laws of the universe. If we do not have a general philosophy or attitude of life, our minds will be confused. If we train only to our mind and if we do not train to our emotions, if we do not have a general philosophy or attitude of life, our minds will be confused and we will suffer from greed, pusillanimity, anxiety, and defeatism. He says that if we do not study the emotional part of life, then we would suffer from greed. Pusillanimity means timidity, anxiety, and defeatism. Defeatism when we will feel ourselves defeated. Mental slums are more dangerous to mankind than material slums. Dr. Radhakrishnan says a very beautiful line that mental slums are more dangerous. Slums is the dirty area where people live. He says that mental bondage or mental dirtiness is more dangerous to humankind than the material slums. Material slums are that dirty part that we can see, that is physical. He says that the dirtiness in mind is more dangerous than living in a dirty slum or a dirty place. Independent thinking is not encouraged in our world today. He says that the independent thinking is not being encouraged in our world. When we see a cinema, we think very fast to keep up with the rapid changes of science and action. When we see a cinema or a movie, we think very fast to keep up. We make pace with the rapid changes of scene and action. This rapidity which the cinema gives its audience and demands from them has its own effect on the mental development. We get the rapidity when we see a cinema. This rapidity which the cinema gives, this quickness which the cinema gives its audiences and demands from them has its own effect. This rapidity has its own effect on the mental development of the audiences. If we are to be freed from the debilitating effects and the nervous strain of modern life, if we are to be saved from the assaults which beat so insistently on us from the screen and the radio, from the yellow press and the demagogy, defenses are to be built in the minds of men, enduring interests are to be implanted in them. If we are to be freed from the debilitating effects, debilitating means tending to weaken something. If we want to get free from the effects that tend to weak our minds and nervous strain of modern life, nervous strain or stress of modern life, we are to be saved from the assaults, we are to save ourselves from the attacks which beat so incessantly means continuously on us from the screen and radio. We are to be we are to be saved or we are to save ourselves from the attacks that are continuously attacking or beating us from the screen here is the cinema or tv etc and the radio. We are to save from these things from the yellow press. Yellow press is the newspapers and the demagogy defenses. Demagogy defenses are that excite the feelings are to be built up in the minds of men. We are to be free from the video, the cinema or radio, from the newspapers or such type of things that excite our feelings. Uh, Enduring interests are to be implanted on them, and we are to implant or we are to develop the enduring means everlasting or continuing interest on men. We must learn to read great classics which deal with really important questions. He advises the students that we must learn to read great classics. We should read the uh, classical works of the great writers which deal with the really important questions affecting the life and the destiny of human race. We should read the classical works of great writers uh, that deal with the really important questions that affect our life and destiny of human race that talk about the human race. We must think for ourselves about these great matters, but thinking for oneself does not mean thinking in a vacuum, unaided, all alone. We must think for ourselves. He says that we human beings should think for ourselves about these great matters. Great matters are that are related to human race or to our life. But thinking for oneself does not mean thinking in a vacuum. He advises us that we should think for our destiny or ourselves. But thinking for oneself does not mean that thinking in a vacuum. Vacuum means without any purpose, unaided, without any help, all alone. We need help from others. He says that we need the help from others, living or dead. Whether the writers or the great persons are living or dead, we need help from them. We need help from the great of all ages. He says that we need help from the great people of all ages, the poets, the unacknowledged legislators of the world. Unacknowledged means those who are not acknowledged, those who did not become famous, legislators of the world, those who said many important things but who could not get fame in their life, the philosophers, the creative thinkers, the artists. He says that in order to know the life or in order to understand the matters, great matters of life, we should get the help of the poets or great people or the philosophers or the creative thinkers and the artists. Whereas in sciences we can be helped only by the contemporaries, he says that in sciences we can get the help of the contemporaries means by the scientists or the people who study science, who are contemporary means who are living, we can get help from them. In humanities, while in the subjects of humanities, help comes from the very great to whatever age and race they may belong. We can get help from the very great to whatever age or race. Race means time or human race they may belong. We can get from help from them. At the deepest levels of existence, in the intimations of the nature of the supreme and the economy of the universe, in the insights into the power and powerlessness of man, the changing scene of history has its focus. At the deepest levels of existence, in the intimations of the nature of the Supreme, we want to understand the nature of the God and the economy of the universe. We want to understand the economy of the universe. In the insights into the power, we want to get knowledge of the power and powerlessness of man, where man is powerless. We want to know this. The changing scene of history has its focus. The changing scene of history has its focus on the search of the nature of God or the economy of the universe or the insights or uh, insights of power and powerlessness of man. This is the focus of changing scene of history. The events of history reflect the events in the souls of men. The events of history or the events of past time reflect the events in the souls of mind. The past events make a place in the souls of men.